Hi everyone, today we are here to show you the latest innovation from Corel, the EVD ICE kit for managing electronic expansion valves. This kit is the dedicated solution for refrigeration installers who want to improve compressor protection and increase the energy efficiency of their system. The kit includes everything you need to quickly and easily replace a thermostatic expansion valve with Corel's stepper valve technology. And here's the solution. We have the EVD ICE driver for electronic expansion valves. Due to the high IP rating characteristics, this driver can be installed directly inside the evaporator near the expansion valve. The driver is powered directly by the mains voltage, which means no external transformer is required. Regulation can be enabled via digital input or via serial connection. The suction temperature sensor is already installed. As you can see, it includes a strap to secure it to the suction line. The cable with a plug-and-play connector is provided for the connection to the stator. In addition to the EVD ICE, we have the unipolar stator for E2V valves, also equipped with plug-and-play cable that is airproof. To complete the solution, you can configure the electronic valve suitable for your application and request it from your Corel distributor, choosing, for example, an E2VZ serviceable valve. We also have the pressure transducer that can be connected directly to the driver. Some versions of the kit will include the pressure transducer. To ensure system safety, the UltraCap external backup module is mounted adjacent to the EVD ICE and, in case of power failure, provides enough energy to the driver to immediately close the valve, preserving the compressor. The initial configuration is very quick thanks to the configuration wizard, which allows you to start the driver with just 3 parameters using the integrated display. Is this your first time installing a Corel electronic valve? Use the Quick Start guide included in the package, where you will find all the information for commissioning, or scan the QR code to access product-specific training.